Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you screen recording missing on your iPhone 17 Pro. Let's go to fix this. So this device has missing screen record option. When I'm go to my control center, not showing it to screen record option. Easily fix this problem. Okay, long press, then you get add a control. Go to search option, search set to screen record option. Press on. Now successfully add my screen recorder. Long press. If you want to turn on or off microphone, press on start recording. Now start my screen recorder. If you want to turn off, stop. Now I'm checking. That's it.